Redskin. Dedicated. December 22. Big ups to whom this is dedicated. You're classy like a room which gets educated. If love is a drug, prescribe me medicated. Big ups to whom? Big ups to whom this is dedicated. You're classy like a room which gets educated. If love is a drug, prescribe me medicated. Big ups to whom? You know who you are, why publicize? Otherwise, naysayers will be in our business. That's where the trouble lies. Fires fueled, tensions build, discussions are over with. It's a rap, like you mentioned, drilled, yet love's an essential skill. Mastery requires hard work, factory, sustaining all that we achieve, disaster free. This way, everything obtained won't have to end in catastrophe. Irrationally, it's plain to see where my passion be. Who be adores, going nuts, squirrels, chipmunks, Theodores. Hope this reassures me amor, love me some more. I'm certain, so you should be for sure. Open up like a Prius door. Play me, I won't play you back. This ain't pre-record, not the Korean War. Loyalty is being locked in, that's doctrine. Key rapport, 143, heavy on 3 and 4. You love, I'm true of. True love, so shoe scrubs. My cue was, she don't do dubs on the new drugs. That's 2 doves, a partridge in a pear tree. Knowing you're the one blows. Like a cartridge, how you air me. Toxic, venom, so carnage. Now you're carefree. Broken vows were spoken loud. Crying over cows and dairy. But ironically, you're on my mind. Yeah. Big ups to whom this is dedicated. You're classy like a room which gets educated. If love is a drug, prescribe me medicated. Big ups to whom? Big ups to whom this is dedicated. You're classy like a room which gets educated. If love is a drug, prescribe me medicated. Big ups to whom? You're on my mind. Redskin.